Today, we're making click-and-cut microsound ambient samples inspired by ULLA. After hearing Hometown Girl, I was extremely inspired to deconstruct some of the sounds used in this album, as well as in the 2022 release called Foam. We're starting off with Fruity DX10. Load up the jazz piano preset. We're not tweaking anything here. It sounds good already for what we're going to do with it. Get some nice minor ninth chord action going on. We want a beautiful contrast between the lower and higher notes. I'm a big fan of using very simple synth sounds and then transforming them in the resampling process. Can't go wrong with the granulizer. I know I do it in every single video, but go random all the way up, adjust the parameters until it sounds good for you. We are looking for that glitchy and uneven sound. If you experience some clicks and pops, just use the envelope and add some attack. Now record it into Edison and export it. We want to stretch it, but keep the pitch the same. It's time to cut the sample and arrange it so that it sounds more cohesive. Now using the same DX preset, let's make a melody. And again, we're going to do a lot of cutting later on, so make sure that the notes are quite high up. Add a multi-band delay with the linear phase on. And you guessed it, granulizer, with the random knob all the way up again. Now we want to record 2 takes, one without a tape simulation, and one with 2 tape 7 by Air windows with the bias set extremely low. It's going to sound extremely harsh and unpleasant, but we're only going to use that for the texture. Now it's time to stretch both and arrange them so that they fit our main chord sample. I just looped the main sample to give some more room for the lead. Time for some ear candy.
Justin,
we need some voice samples.
Most every single thing is common sense.
Again, granulize the time, but this time with the pan effect on.
Which is if you get word.
Add some multi-band delay and place the bits of that sample into the playlist. Grab a field recording sample. And repeat the granulizer process. Now just grab little clicks and pops and add some slight rhythm to the sample. Now some tape simulation. And the last thing we need is a powerful bass note. Shout out to Goblin's Wiggle Bass, and here's how it all sounds together.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.